Today we're going to check out a flashlight that's long. So here's the Thrunite Archer, and it is quite long, maybe the longest one I've ever seen here. We do get a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C right there. We also get a nice little lanyard to throw around your wrist, and then we get the flashlight right here, and like I said, this guy is long. That is like 6 or 6.5 inches long. So as you can see, not only does it fill out my hand like a little baton, but it's protruding there, nicely constructed. Always is from Thrunite. Nice knurling here, feels good in the hand. It's not overly heavy, but it's got some weight. It feels sturdy, like I could bust these wooden boards right there, okay? We kind of have like a hex collar right here, the LED in there, and we also have a clip right here. It's kind of interesting that it's down here, but you can clip that onto things. And then if we look at the back here, we have a rubberized button. Okay, so what I like about this back button is if I just kind of half press it, it's a momentary light. Then if I full press it, it seems to turn on and off. Then if I hit this button down here, that's how we get through the modes. So what you can see is it's actually on. That is like a firefly mode. That is very, very light. But I can go up through the modes right here. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so if I turn it off, turn it back on, yes, it's got memory. So that's nice. How do we charge this guy? I'm going to unscrew the back cap here, little O-ring right there, so it should be waterproof. Oh my gosh, look at this guy, 1600 milliamp hours. And right there, we have the USB-C port. So that's how you charge this guy up, which I'm going to do before we give it a little test in the great outdoors. So let's get her powered up and hit the dark. All right, so I'm outside. I don't really see any stars, kind of cloudy, but we've got a lot of street lights on and stuff, but I do have my very skinny, long, slender flashlight out here, my Thrunite flashlight. So thought we'd look down this way with the flashlight here, and I'm just going to hit the back button here. It does have memory, so this is that low setting, so you can see oh yeah, some of that sexiness right there, but perfect for reading a map, seeing what's in front of you. It's a very low light and it doesn't flood a whole lot, but I'm going to go ahead and get my hand up here to the far end. So I've got the mode button right up here, and we're going to go ahead and hit that. And now I've got a bright light. You can see, you can get the road lit up right there. I've got the trees lit up. If I hit it again, man, that is bright. I've got that whole row of trees right there, all illuminated. And one more time, that is the bright setting. I mean, it's like daylight over here, and I can see if I've got a sniper in the trees or a squirrel bearing down on me. And if I hit it again, we're just cycle through all the modes. But then if I hold it down, we get that strobe. So this little security feature right there. But man, small flashlight, long and slender, but super powerful. So if you want to pick up this flashlight so that you can illuminate the things down the road in the darkest of nights, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.